Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
Milk and garlic is a cure for asthma, tuberculosis, pneumonia, insomnia, heart issues, cough, arthritis and more. A lot of vegetables, fruits, and spices are used as cures if combined the right way without the need of any other medications. What the following recipe can help you with asthma. The garlic can solve the issue, just take 3 cloves a day. Sciatica. You can get rid of the nerve pain with the help of milk. Impotence. Intake boiled garlic chunks for fertility problems among men and women. Arthritis. Consume the cure daily. Digestion. Garlic boosts the immunity and aids digestion, cleans the lymph system and removes toxins, and also it makes more digestion juices and helps in cases of diarrhea. Cholesterol. The mixture should be taken for 7 days in order to reduce bad cholesterol and increase the good one. Lung tuberculosis. Take 1 gram of garlic with 240 milliliters of milk and 1 liter of water, boil them and you will get 1/4 of the initial amount. It should be consumed 3 times per day. Cough. You can add turmeric in this in order to get rid of cough. Make a mixture of garlic, milk, and turmeric. Garlic will help to kill bacteria. You can add honey in order to soothe chronic cough problems. Insomnia. The mixture will help you relax more. Jaundice. Garlic removes toxins, cures jaundice, activates the good enzymes and the liver starts working properly. The liver requires sulfur in order to detox the body, and garlic contains it. This vegetable is great for fatty liver disease as it contains allicin and selenium which makes more bile, so that the fat is lessened in the liver. The issue with jaundice will be gone if you consume the cure for 5 days. Cardiac problems. The bad LDL cholesterol will be lessened with this recipe. It will stop clots, improving your heart health. Take it with low-fat or skimmed milk. Pneumonia. In order to treat pneumonia, take the cure 3 times a day. Ingredients: 10 minced cloves of garlic, 500 milliliters of milk, 250 milliliters of water, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. How to prepare it? Place the milk and water in a pot and add the garlic. Let it boil on a medium heat, stirring all the time. Strain it and add sugar in the mixture. Drink it warm. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.